Uh, Hello children. How uh, how you are able to see film in the cinema hall on a white screen? How the image is forming on the white screen? It is not a mirror. It is a white screen. How the image is formed on it? See, you know about reflection. If a light ray is falling on something, it is get reflected. Reflection means the bouncing back to the same medium. The light falls on a medium, the same light bounce back to the same medium, that is called a reflection. If the light ray bounce back to the same medium, for example, there is a regular surface. Regular surface means plane surface. Irregular means rough surface. There is a regular surface. See, these lines indicates that the light will not pass through it. That means it is a opaque body. It is an opaque object. The light will not pass through it. If the light passed on this, if the light fall on this, what will happen? This will bounce back to the same medium. For example, this is a bench. If the light ray fall on the bench, again it will reflect back from the bench. It will not go inside the bench. So this time, the bouncing back, this property is called a reflection. If you draw a normal should be drawn in a dotted line, and normal should be perpendicular to the plane. Normal should be perpendicular to the plane. If you draw a normal, the angle made by the incident line, the angle made by the incident ray to the normal is called angle of incidence. This is called angle of incidence I. And the angle made by this is reflected ray, that bounce back ray is called reflected ray. The angle made by this reflected ray to the normal is called angle of reflection. So first law of reflection is angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. Angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. And the second law is the incident ray, normal and the reflected ray will all lies on same plane. For example, if this is where the light is falling, the light ray is fall on here, again it is get reflected over to the same medium like this. And if you draw a normal, this will be the incident ray, normal and reflected ray, and this is the plane. Where is the plane? Here. And how all these, see, imagine that it is an X plane. This incident ray, this normal and this reflected ray all are on Y plane. So these two, these three will on the same plane. The incident ray, normal and the reflected ray will all lies on the same plane. Now what is refraction? Refraction means if there is a medium, this is not opaque medium, this is transparent medium. If the light ray falls on the transparent medium, if you draw a normal to it, the light ray will go inside. This is the angle of incidence and this is the angle of refraction. This is refraction. That means if the light ray is entering into the medium, passing through the medium and making some angle with the normal, this is said to be refraction. Bouncing back to the same medium is said to be reflection. So what if the light ray is passing through a transparent medium? This is A flat surface. What if the light ray is passing through a medium which is having a curved surface, both side curved surface like this? For example, some light rays are going and falling on the curved surface, and it's a transparent substance. What will happen? These light rays will go and they will meet at a point, and here the image will be formed. Which type of image will be formed? Here we will get a real image. Here we will get a real image. There are so many cases. See, if you take this middle line as a principal axis means the line which is passing through the center of the mirror. Center of the lens. We should call this as a lens. It is a convex lens. Here a real image will form. The real image will be caught on a screen. We should keep a screen here, a white color screen, then you can capture the image of the object here. If there is an object here, there is some object here, you can find the image of the object this side of the lens. There are some rays which is falling on the lens, and this these rays undergoes refraction and they are meeting. Here the image is formed. That image is called real image, and this image is also inverted image. Let's go and see how this image will form. I'll switch off the light. Let's do an experiment. Switch on the AC also. This is my object. I am taking this candle as my object. This is the transparent glass, which is also said to be a convex lens. Now, the rays from the object is passing through this lens, and it undergoes refraction, and here the image of my object is formed. We can have a bigger image, smaller image. By changing the position of the lens, we can have different sizes of images. Is it visible?
Half.
No. You get up.
Now good.
See, now we are getting a smaller image. If you want a larger image, see, now it is a larger image. The image which is formed on the screen is called a real image. In the cinema halls, here will be the projector, and here will be the lens, and here will be the screen. You are between the lens and the screen, white screen. Like this, you are able to see the film in the theater. See here exactly we are getting the same size of image, real image. Okay, you understand?